This is the first step, company creation and master creation. First step in Tally is you have to create a company setup and configuration according to your company requirement. In this chapter we will discuss the above video demo for the below topics: company creation, ledger, group, stock items and stock units like cages, bags, etc. So what you do is minimize this, go to here, double click on Tally icon, wait for a minute. Now go to here, company creation. Company creation means you have to create a company so that you can start to enter the data house. Go to enter here, Ramu and Co. (2010). Here enter the name of the country. Here you can select the state, name of the state. You can enter this pin code number 4. That's all. This is finished. Company creation is like this. Now go to here, accounting features. Say accounting features, accounting, yes, like this. You set up all these setups. Then go to here, inventory features. Go to here, maintain multiple godowns, yes, like this. Then go to statutory reports. Here you have to say yes for VAT. Then this also yes, Tamil Nadu. Here you have to enter your TIN number, your company's TIN number. That's all. Now how to create the ledger I will explain. Go to here, accounting info, ledgers, create. Already I have created, just you see, ABC and Co. ABC and Co. This is sundry creditors. Maintain bill-wise bills, yes. That's all. Then building is the fixed assets. That's all. Now car is the fixed account. That's all. Electricity is an indirect expense. Cash account, cash only. Freight is a direct expense. Input VAT is duties and taxes. It's a tax on purchases. VAT 12.5%. That's all. Output VAT, duties and taxes, VAT classification is output VAT. Office expenses is indirect expense. Now purchase ledger. Purchase comes under group purchases. Inventory values affected, yes. VAT returns, yes. That's all. Then rent account is indirect expense. Salaries is indirect expense. Sales is sales account. VAT, yes. VAT classification is sales 12.5%. XYZ is the customer ledger. Maintain bill wise bill. Okay. Here enter the customer TIN number, sale tax number. That's all. Now this is stock ledger is over. Now group accounting groups, that is account info group. Example, say area wise debtors like Ambattur debtors. That means that Ambattur surrounding debtors, that customers will treated as Ambattur debtors. Here under comes sundry debtors. That's all. We will create one ledger, that is discount received account. This comes under indirect incomes. Discount allowed or given. This comes under indirect expenses. That's all. Now stock, that is inventory info. How to create stock item, units, etc. First you need to create unit, that is numbers. Go to here, inventory info, unit of measures. Already I have created. See this numbers. How to create is just NOS type as. Here decimal point is 0 because it's not a liters and kgs. That's all. Now stock groups, I have created two groups, that is inventory info, stock items, stock groups. I have created two, that is computer spares and TV. How I have created is name here under computer spares, primary, quantity to be added, yes. That means computer spare means hardware, hard disk, monitor, and processor, RAM, whatever the spares comes under computer spares. Now TV I have given one group name TV. Here, yes. Here you can enter that Sony, Onida, whatever. Now items, inventory info, stock items. Here you have to create means create panano. You have to create here. Already I have created. See just hard disk under computer spares. It's a computer spare, yes. Here numbers. That's all. Now monitors. Monitor is the computer spares. That units means numbers. Numbers or pieces, whatever. Onida TV 17 inches. This comes under group TV. That's also that measure of units is numbers. Like this. Sony TV 14 inches. That's also TV. Comes as numbers. Now this is over. Now go down. How to create the go downs? go to here, inventory info, go downs. Already I have created. Here you have to create that create. Already I have created. See one more I will create. Stores. You can here main location. That's all. I have created 3, that is showroom, go down. Showroom, one mistake is here. Showroom, go down. Main location. Storage, go down. Like that. Now this is first chapter is over. We'll go to next chapter is purchase and sales.